Hello guys, welcome to the Good Guy Network here, and today we'll be going over a Java tutorial on how to create a MadLib. What I'm showing on my screen right now is basically just a completed version, hold on, let me turn these on, of a MadLib. I'm using JGrasp, G-R-A-S-P, Google it, free download. Free downloadable program that lets you code Java and C++, I think, yes, okay. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a MadLib. Basically, what you're going to need to do this is JGrasp, and yeah, that's pretty much it. You don't need much actual programming skill to get this done, but it helps. So we're going to start with import java.util.scanner. Basically, what this is going to do is allow us to take lines of text that we enter into the compile message box, which is down here, JGrasp SP messages. What we put into there we'll be able to read into our program. Public class MadLib, and we'll call it 2 because I've already created one on here, so to avoid confusion, class MadLib. And then what we're going to do is we're going to call private static scanner in equal new scanners. Excuse me, that needs to be capital dot in. And what this is going to do is same as import. It's going to allow us to use user input throughout all of our program here that we're going to make. Static void main, and what this is the main statement. I'll explain to you what this does exactly in 1 second. Now what we're going to need to do is MadLib. We'll just call this MadLib for now, and leave this blank for the time being. Okay, so this right here, system output private static scanner dot in whatever blah blah blah, that will allow us to take input from whatever's in these brackets and whatever's in these brackets right there, so we can use them in our code. And you probably won't understand what I'm saying until we actually start getting things done here. So first thing we're going to want to do is system.out.println. I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it because that'll get really repetitive. Just do that for now. There you go, string. And I'll do this. Equals in dot next line. Okay. Let me just actually copy this too. Oh shoot, I messed that up. Okay, so basically, guys, if you're having trouble reading this, what's gonna happen here is we'll put something in like, what's your name? And it'll ask the user what their name is, and this line right here we'll call the variable name. It will take what the user enters in for what is your name right here. It will store as this variable name. So we'll say, what's your name? And then we'll go, what's another question? Your favorite color. And then we'll store this as color. Do one more. Name. Oops, needs to be capital name. Doesn't need to be capital, but it probably should be. Name an animal. And these little carrots right here, these less than carrots, greater than, whatever you want to call them, they're basically just a prompt to help the user know when they need to input value into the output, which you may still not know what I'm talking about until later. Print line, and then we'll call this section animal. Alright, MadLib, and then I'm going to move on to the next section here. Okay, we have it as set as MadLib. We're going to need system.out.print line. Actually, that can be just print. Whoops. Excuse my poor typing ability. Hi, my name is, then we need an addition sign, space, name, space, plus, and we want that. So what's basically going to happen here is it's going to print out on our screen, hi, my name is, and then take what you entered in as the value for name, and it will print it out as that, and then there will be an exclamation mark at the end. And you may be wondering where the MadLib part comes in. The actual MadLib, you know, wackiness and all that. It'll come very shortly, actually. Just trying to get a demonstration going right now. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to call MadLib, which is what we named this method right here. As you can see, MadLib. That's what it's called. So we're going to bring that in here. And then we're going to need to call in all the variables that we've used in the method MadLib, which is right now only name. Need to call that right there, and we'll need to call it in here as, wait, excuse me, I did that wrong. Name. That needs to be called as name, and this needs to be called as string name, because it is a string. It needs to be labeled as such in the method. So if we gotta save the file, because that's how JGrasp works. Got my intense classes going there. My computer's pretty slow at compiling, so I apologize. And we have 5 errors. Okay, what did I do wrong? Semicolon. And these all need to have semicolons in front of them. I apologize sincerely. That should be it. Does that need to have a semicolon? Yep, it does. Okay, my bad again. That's 0 for 2 right there. Come on, let's go 1 for 3. Let's go.